Every smartphone screen starts a fascinating journey long before it reaches your pocket.
These advanced factories produce millions of screens every year. The process begins with high-purity silica, one of the main ingredients in glass. The raw materials are melted at extremely high temperatures. The liquid glass is transformed into thin, perfectly smooth sheets. Every sheet is inspected for the smallest imperfections.
This process helps protect screens from everyday damage. Next, the display panel is manufactured inside cleanrooms.
These tiny colored elements combine to create every color. Advanced electronics are added to control each pixel.
A touch-sensitive layer allows your fingers to interact with the screen.
Several layers are carefully combined into a single screen.
Air bubbles are eliminated to ensure perfect clarity.
Lasers cut each screen to its final shape.
Every display is tested for brightness and performance. Touch sensitivity is checked thousands of times.
The completed display is installed into a smartphone. The screen comes to life with brilliant colors and sharp detail. From raw materials to advanced technology, that's how phone screens are made.
Subscribe for more amazing technology documentaries.